This video I'm going to show you about files, basically dealing with files. Maya's files work by default through projects, and by default Maya has a project. If you go to Start menu and go to Documents and you go to Maya, go to Projects, and then Default. Default, this is the default project for Maya. If we open it up, you'll see all the folders, and these are where Maya saves different types of files. If we go to File, and we go to Set Project, this will allow us to basically set Maya's project. So you can see it's Documents, Maya, Projects, and Default. And you can have multiple projects, but only one active at a time per Maya. And basically, this would be how you would set a project. So if we had another project in here, we could click on that project and say Set. And I'm going to go over creating projects right now, actually. So to create a new project, you go to File, and you go to Project Window. And this will show you, current project, default, where it's located, and the folders. So to create a new one, you click New, and a new project, and we can pick where we want it to save. So we can select there, go to Projects, and these you should keep as the default, the way they are now. Just hit Accept. So now if we go to File, Project, Set Project, and we click on New Project and we say Set, it is now and we go to Project Window, you can see now that we're current project, new project. So if we go to File and we go to Save Scene As, you can see that it goes to our Documents, Maya, Projects, and our new project, and then it goes into Scenes. So whatever project you have set up, Maya will automatically save in the Scenes folder. And Save As just basically lets you choose the location of where you want to save it, and also what you want to name it. And when you do save it, there's two different file types. There's Maya ASCII and Maya Binary. Maya Binary is basically a condensed version of Maya ASCII, and I like to use Maya ASCII. I like to use it because I can always condense the files later in a zip file, and then also if I'm using Maya 2013 like we are now, and I give my file to someone else and they have Maya 2012, Maya ASCII is more likely to work on previous versions of Maya. So it's essentially how you save. So we can actually cancel that. And if we go to File, you can open up a scene, and it looks in Projects, New Project, or Current Project. You have Set As and Scenes, basically where we were going to save before. You can also import and export. This export all basically exports everything in our scene, and then if you have objects selected, you use export selection to export just those objects. And that's basically files in Maya. That's basically how you save, load, and import and export and deal with projects.